Okay, so in this video, we will learn that another very powerful pattern that is, and probably this is the last pattern we will learn in advanced ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery. That is a semantic filter pattern. The idea behind this, the concept behind this, suppose you have a large data, you have some content, some blog post, customer feedback, or any kind of data you have, and you want to filter it. You want to remove something from data, you want to add something to that data, basically for removing purpose, for deleting purpose, for replacement purpose. You can use this prompt. So why it is important? Suppose on 2010 you published one blog post. Okay, so there and now it is 2024. So what happens is, that time lots of backward data are there, not backward data, but compared to today, might be some backward data is there. So you want to update that data, or you want to remove those data, because nowadays those concepts, those the information are not valid or might be outdated. So that's why you want to filter it. So in that case, what you can do, you can write this prompt to chat gpt or any other artificial tools to remove that those things. It might be any certain word, any certain amount, any certain figure, any certain emotion, any certain negative feedback, any certain positive feedback, any certain comments. You can remove from that particular content or that report. So here, the first example here is filter. The first example is about financial report. Suppose you have one financial report, and now you want to remove something from that report. So what you will write? Right, filter this financial report to remove any figures below $1000. So now you are telling ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that I have a report. Here is my report. You need to attach that report, and then you need to tell filter this report, filter this financial report, remove and remove the figure that is $1000, that is equal to $1000, or below. Sorry, here it is mentioned below $1000. So what you can say? Just remove $5000. The result which are below 1000. So in that way you can write your prompt. Ensure that only significant transactions are included. So here the another additional information you can provide. Then the second example is customer feedback. Suppose you have one customer feedback content, might be 10 pages, 100 pages, 50 pages content you have. So you want to remove something, some negative comment from that feedback. So that you can do. How you can do? Filter this customer feedback to remove any irrelevant comments on feedback that do not pertain to product quality or services. So you want to remove the irrelevant comments from that feedback. Okay, then paste your customer feedback and then run. It will remove the irrelevant content from that feedback. Okay, then the example number 3 is a research article. In that field, filter this research article to remove any references to outdated studies or research that has been discredited. Okay, so you want to remove any outdated something that I told earlier, that suppose you publish that blog post 2010, and nowadays might be it is little outdated, so you want to remove it. So that thing you can do. So then paste your article. Okay, then the example number 4 is a meeting transcript. How it is? Filter this meeting transcript to remove any off topic discussion or personal conversation that are not relevant to this meeting's agenda. So again you are telling those things are not relevant to that meeting, so you remove those uh, uh, sentence, or remove those words, remove those content. So now you need to paste your content. And then again, example number 5, social media comments. Filter the social media comments to remove any negative or abusive language, ensuring only constructive feedback is retained. So you want to remove the negative feedback from that comments. Okay, so let us practice practically. So I will take, let me take, check it. and now shift enter. Now customer feedback content. Let's again take a content from, let me open, I don't know whether it is open or not. Anyway, block page is there, let me take. This is about MailChimp, so let me take a random question. Suppose this is my content. I assume I don't have dummy. So assume this is my content. So now I will paste this. So I have pasted the entire array, and I what I said. What is my prompt? I will not change anything. Any grammatical error. All these things are there. So I will not change anything. So what I have said that filter this customer feedback. Filter this customer feedback to remove any irrelevant components or feedback that do not pertain to produce quality of service. So shift enter, let me, here is my content. So now run it, let's see what happens. See what it is saying: the following sections of customer feedback are relevant to product quality or service. Okay, so it has rewrite the thing. I have given a lots of detailed information. I copied entire things and paste it, and then it's providing me this result that the following sections, this is the output. The following sections of the customer feedback are relevant to product quality or service. So it is only relevant to the product quality and the service only. So I think you got the idea how it works. So the main thing is you want to remove, how was our prompt, to remove any irrelevant components or feedback that do not pertain to product quality or service. So that is our intention, was our goal was. So ChatGPT has done for us. Now again, suppose research article we can do, or we can any other topic. So let me take this. So you can test with this. Let me copy it, let me again paste it, then again let me provide the same content. Let me suppose this one, I'm taking only this one. Let's check how it responds. Suppose this is my, I don't want, I want to remove the any reference to outdated studies. So I pasted it, let's see how it works. The provided text does not contain any specific studies and research preference, whether outdated or discredited. Okay, it focuses on general information about non-profits, their challenges, and Mailchimp's investment in supporting them. Therefore, no filtering is necessary for this text. Okay, so that kind of data I did not give, so that's why might be on this. I don't know. You need to provide the relevant content as I told. So the concept I wanted to share with you, this is it. Let's check, let's see how it works. The provided text does not reference any specific studies or research, uh, whether outdated or discredited. It focuses only the history of MailChimp. Okay, so as I did not provide the relevant relevance content, so that's why it's asking again and again. But in your case you need to provide the details, like suppose as I told, that research article, your topic should be research article. If your topic is research article, you will get the best output. So you need to replace your content. That is what I wanted to know, that the concept behind is you can remove anything from your content, from your report, from your whatever you have. So you can remove the filter option is there, and rewrite, filter and rewrite. So I think you got the idea that how to use what is semantic filter pattern, and how it works, how you can remove anything, a negative comment, positive comment, of course not positive comment, negative comment, negative feedback, or any particular word, any particular sentence, any particular amount you can do. Suppose here is one more example I just want to share with you, that is social media comments. Suppose nowadays social media comments, suppose you have a content of 5 pages, 10 pages, and now you want to remove the negative, who has provided the negative feedback. In that case also you can use this prompt, that is filter these social media comments to remove any negative or abusing language, ensuring only constructive feedback is written. Okay, now paste your content, so it will filter all those negative content, and only it will keep the positive content. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Okay, thank you.